And if we talk about passive versus active investing also, what's your view for the retail audiences when it comes to passive investing versus active investing? Firstly, like what exactly is the difference between these two terms? And secondly, a retail investor who's watching this, what should he focus on, retail, passive or active investing?
So two ways you can look at it, Kusal. Passive and active actually can be understood in two contexts. One is that if you are actively directly participating in the stock market versus if you are taking a mutual fund route, where it is called passive and you are directly doing it is called active. So that is one way you can look at it, is that whether you are active or you are passive. Another way you can look at it is that when you are investing into mutual fund, are you investing into the schemes which are managed by the fund manager, then which is called active, or are you investing in the mutual fund scheme which are basically tracking the index? There is no fund management discretion possible, and that is also called passive. So if you go into the mutual fund industry space, where a lot of money is going into passive worldwide, over a period of time, it is established that passive and active, the difference in the rate is not much, because active is managed by the fund manager, passive is tracking the index. Most importantly, the cost is very less in passive. And that's why if you end up investing into a index mutual funds, which is passive, your cost ratio is very low and that compounds your return faster. In terms of other angle, that whether you should do direct investment in stock versus mutual fund, my suggestion would be that it should be both. And the way you graduate in your investment journey is you start with mutual fund first, understand the investment behavior, and then over a period of time start tracking equity as a sector, and then you start directly investing to stock. So over a period of time you graduate from, say, mutual fund to stock, and then maybe over a period of time you graduate into advanced investor in terms of leverage, and then you can graduate into derivatives, commodity derivatives, equity derivatives, etc. So it's a journey.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.